Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am Sexing going to start class 5 EBS assessment 1 chapter 6 weather and climate part 2 factor which determine the climate of a place. Let's see. This is the picture of eastern hemisphere of our earth. So first factor which affect the climate of a place is latitude or distance from the equator. See, this is Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Capricorn, and the region between Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn is torrid zone. Torrid zone means hottest zone because it receives the direct sun ray of a direct sun ray. So as we move above the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, this region is temperate zone, means less hot than in comparison to torrid zone. And this region, Arctic region and Antarctic region, they are coldest zone, frigid zone. So how? Places close to the equator receive more sunlight, which makes them hot. Places situated far from the equator receives less sunlight, which makes them cold. So first factor is latitude or distance from the equator. Now second, altitude. Altitude means height. Let's see. This is hill and mountain. Hills and mountains. The places located on the hills or mountains are cooler than the places in the plains, as the former are at a higher altitude, means higher height. Clear? Places which are at higher height, they are cooler than the plains. So another factor is altitude, height. Now next factor, distance from the sea. The area close to the sea do not experience much variation in their temperature across the season. This is due to the land and sea breezes that continuously blow from the cooler sea to the hotter land and vice versa. See here. Through this picture we can easily understand. Warm air of the hotter sea moves to the cooler land, and cooler land breeze moves to the hotter sea. This is land breeze. Another picture. This is cooler breeze from the cooler sea moves to the hotter land, and warm air of the hotter land moves to the cooler sea. So this is sea breeze. Now direction of the wind. So three factors we have studied: latitude or distance from the equator, altitude, distance from the sea. Now direction of the wind. Air moves from high pressure region to low pressure region. This movement of air is called wind. Direction of wind influences the climate of an area. Now another factor is rainfall. The areas with heavy rainfall have moderate temperature. Moderate means not extreme, while areas with less rainfall are generally dry and hot. So student, how many factors are there which affect the climate of a place? Latitude or distance from the equator, altitude means height, distance from the sea, direction of the wind, rainfall. So total 5 factors are there which affect the climate of a place. So climate of a place. Chapter 6 weather and climate, part 2 climate factor which affect the climate of a place completed. Thank you.